Hi, my name is Justine Louise. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be talking about the Simplehuman mirror. This is the one that has the two mirrors, the magnifying 10 times and then the regular 5 times. And most importantly, what I want to talk to you guys about today is why I bought it twice. So if you have seen quite a few months ago, I posted about this particular mirror and that I had returned it. So I am going to go in a little bit of background quickly. I ordered this, well, I've been eyeballing this mirror for about a year or two. I know a lot of YouTubers have been talking about it. I've seen it online at the Bay. I live in Canada, so I've seen it at the Bay. Bath and Body Works has it in the store, but not the one that has the double. They just have the regular mirror, but I like the magnifying. So anyway, my husband kept saying, just buy it, but it never goes on sale. Bath and Body Works always has that, not Bath and Body Works, Bed Bath Beyond. They have that 20% off coupon, but you can only use it in the store, and they don't have this model in my local store. And the Bay online, we don't have it in my store, so I'd have to order on the Bay online, but they categorize it as beauty. So beauty, as you know, never goes on sale. So anyway, last June or July, I think, it came on sale. So I ordered mine from the Bay and I was so excited. I loved it. When I got it, it was just fabulous. Exactly what everybody said about it. It's so great. I'll go into all the perks about it in a minute, but I loved it, and unfortunately before the 90 days came to an end of how long the Bay you can return, it died on me. It would not accept a charge. It was just kaput. So I had to return it, and my husband said, just get another one. And I said, well, first of all, it wasn't on sale anymore, and I couldn't do an exchange because I had to take it in my local store and they didn't have it in the store, so I'd have to order online and pay full price. So I was kind of annoyed about that. And my biggest beef was it's such an expensive mirror and it broke after less than 90 days. Why would I go and buy another one? So I was just really irked by it and just thought, forget it. I'm not spending that crazy amount of money and it doesn't last. And I really do not want to deal with, if it was over the 90-day mark, then I'd have to deal with Simplehuman and try and fight with getting it repaired. And I don't know if any of you guys have ever had repairs on electronics. It is a pain in the butt. I don't know about Simplehuman, but in my experience of all the other companies, it's been a pain. So I just decided I'm going to spend $30 and I'm going to buy a Costco one, and that's good enough for me. So I brought home my little Costco one, and it is very good at magnifying. It was the flip one. It was Conair. One side was, I think, 10 times. The other side was 5. It lit up, but you had to plug it in, and I only have one plug in my bathroom. And one of the plugs is my radio that is on all the time. So and if I unplug it, then the clock goes off and I have to reset it. So I don't like turning that off. And the second plug is for all my other electronics, hair dryer, if I need to charge things, my toothbrush, my Clarisonic, all that stuff. So it's heavily used. So having something that is wireless would be ideal. But anyway, so the Costco one I had to plug in all the time. But the biggest thing for me was your whole face didn't fit in the mirror. So you'd have to spot apply all your makeup. Eye makeup, face makeup, everything had to be done in sections if you wanted to look in the magnifying mirror. So the more I kept messing with this cheap Costco one and all the wire, dragging it around, my husband said, just buy your Simplehuman one again, please. So I decided, I had some leftover gift cards from the Bay over Christmas, and I thought, okay, I'm just gonna splurge and buy it. And I bought it a couple weeks ago, and I just love it. It is so amazing. It's wireless, so you only have to charge it once a month. That's what my old one was. It was it would hold the charge for an entire month, which was great. As soon as you put your face in front of it, it lights up, so you don't have to turn it on, and when you turn away from it, then the light goes off. I know that irritates some people, but for me, it comes back on quick enough for me. I love the two-piece having a magnifier so that I can do my eyebrows. You can also just use it in your hand and tweeze brows and anything that you need to get close up, and then it just clicks in the back when you don't want to use it, and it's magnetized. You don't have to worry about falling and breaking if you have tile floors like me. But my whole face fits in the mirror. The lighting is perfect. There is settings on here where you can actually set it up where it would mimic your lights in your office, let's say, or your work. You can program it to do all that kind of stuff. Me personally, I couldn't be bothered. I'm just happy with light up mirror. I don't need certain ambient types of lighting, but that is an option. They have certain apps for it, but I honestly have never even looked at it. And I'm sure that's part of why the cost is so high, but to me, just the functionality that it already has is enough for me to warrant the price, even though I know I said I'm so cheap and I don't want to spend the money on it. I just have certain things that I just don't like spending money on, and it just irks me, and especially when it never goes on sale, it irks me too. But anyway, I think it's definitely worth the price. Even at full price, it looks beautiful in my bathroom. It's very elegant and modern. It also comes in rose gold. I personally like the stainless because that matches the rest of my bathroom. It is just a beautiful, wonderful, wonderful mirror. And if I've bought it twice, it kind of tells you that I really, really missed it. I know that I'm comparing it between a cheap $30 Conair Costco mirror, but I haven't really seen anything in the medium range spectrum. I've seen some mirrors that some people have talked about, but to me they've been a little bit warped. I couldn't get my whole face. I like to see my entire face in the mirror so I can apply all my makeup evenly and not in quarters and sections. Everything about this mirror, it just ticks all the boxes for me, and that is why I bought it twice. So if you've been thinking about getting this mirror and have been on the fence because of the price point or for whatever reason, I definitely give it two thumbs up. I am a little concerned about longevity and if it's going to break on me again, but I will keep you posted. I'm going to keep on top of that and let you guys know. But for the most part, I love it so much so I bought it twice, obviously. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please click like, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified of any new videos that I post. I post all kinds of things: beauty, travel, lifestyle, mostly targeted for 40 plus, but for anybody. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.